Hello, this is our demo video of a wallpaper app, which we will be design in this playlist. This one is our Get Started screen. After clicking on the Get Started button will direct us to registration screen. Click on the register will move us to login. After login we are now on home screen. Now we are on home tab. We have two navigation tabs on home screen, home and community. After clicking on the community tab will move us to the community screen. Here is our side menu. Click on all categories from the side menu will move us to all categories screen. Here on this screen all of our wallpaper will be displayed in categories. Clicking on the single wallpaper will move us to a screen, in which we will be able to download the wallpaper, share wallpaper, and set wallpaper. Everything you are seeing we will design and explain these, step by step. So let's get started.